Ay, hindi masyado mataas yan. So, sir, mga 7. Yan yung mga ganyan, 7 million. So, sir, regarding location, saan nyo ba gusto? Gusto nyo bang mountainous, near the beach, near Metro Manila, near the province? Yan. So, try to narrow it down. Try asking leading questions for you to uh, yung options niya malimit na and for you to serve them better. Yan.
Yes,
So,
partner. I think importante din sa atin siguro as broker, we also have our creative way, no, in asking. Kasi pagka medyo hindi talaga kayo close ng buyer, kunyari inquiry from your posting sa social media, and then you'll be asking a lot of, magkano ba budget mo? Dalawa lang yun. A client might feel offended o a client might, bakit sinasize up natin yun, nila. But it always good for us to parang let the client feel comfortable muna sa atin, then we ask, no, more or less ano para ma-shortlist ko po kasi meron ho kaming townhouses na from 10 million to 20 million, as high as 90 million, 50, 80 million meron kami. So somehow medyo ganun yun natin, yun facing. I think that is something that everyone should also practice kasi it's real estate is about relationship Bakner di ba? Kailangan medyo talaga may comfortable siya sa atin, no? Kasi siyempre may trust issue din on that part. Yan. Yes.
yes, correct, partner. So, sometimes meron mga ways naman na instead of saying na, sir, magkano ba ang budget mo? Sir, magkano ba ang pera mo? Sir, magkano ba ang kaya mong i-down? So, there are some questions or some leading questions that we ask na, sir, okay lang ba sa inyo na yung down payment nito medyo 300,000? Yan. So, medyo may mga leading questions naman na, sir, meron sir ako alam na magandang townhouse, sir, mukhang bagay sir ito doon sa napipicture nyo na dream house. Kaya lang sir, nasa may Palawan siya, tapos sir, mura lang sir, mga 50 million lang siya. Ayan, so from there, mag-gauge mo na kung ano ba, ay, Palawan, malayo yan. Gusto ko yung malapit-lapit lang. So kahit pa paano, na-narrow down mo na, 50 million, pwede naman, basta maganda lang. So at least na-narrow down mo again siya. Ayan, so
Yes.
next slide po. Yan. Next clients are clients who know what they want but don't have a need or the means to purchase.